Hello folks, your bonsai guy is here in Charleston, United States at Home Depot to buy some beautiful adeniums and other bonsai material. I'm going to make a separate video on this nursery and the variety of plants which you can get here. Let's talk about adenium right now. So the first thing to look at while buying adenium is the caudex, which is the base of the plant. I personally look for the thickest caudex I can find. So after taking the plant out of the pot, you have to remove the soil carefully without causing any harm to the caudex. You can easily lift your adenium 2 to 3 inches every year. So leave some fibrous roots at the bottom covered with the soil and you can remove rest of the. I choose a clay pot for better breathing of the roots and drainage. For the adeniums, I prefer short heighted pots so the caudex can get thicker rather than growing longer. Make sure you fill all the air gaps, and now you can start removing the extra fibrous roots which you don't want. And to give a better and nice look, I focus on single trunk rather than multiple roots. To enhance the beauty of the caudex, you have to sacrifice some fibrous roots, but don't worry about it. The caudex is going to look much beautiful and attractive. This is a time-taking process, but I try my best to keep the video as short as possible. So right after removing all the extra roots, we are going to do the pruning of the plant. Now clean the caudex with the help of a brush and remove all the soil particles so we can apply the turmeric or other fungicides easily. Make sure that you don't leave any air gaps while repotting, so push the soil gently. Now it's time for pruning. So you can remove the leaves and then we are going to make cuts. Make sure that the knife or the blade which I am going to use should be nicely sterilized. You can use any alcohol wipes, Dettol or any kind of disinfectant to clean the blades. Pruning will help the plant to get more branches, and the more branches will get more flowers on the plant. And with this process, the caudex also starts growing thicker to support so many branches. After wiping the cuts with a clean tissue, you can apply fungicide, cinnamon powder or turmeric to avoid fungus attack. Do not water your plants for 3 to 4 days. Allow some time for the cuts to heal and dry first. Thanks for being with me till the end. I'll be back with the updates. Bye bye.